Hello and welcome back. We are continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 5. If we start with this box here, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. There's a 9 here, so 3, 6. 3 here, so 6, 9. 9 here, so 3, 6. That means our 9 has to be here. If we look at this bottom row, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 7. If we look at this column, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 6. That means the only place our 8 in this column can be is here. For this box now, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 6. 5 here, so 1, 6. 1 and 6 here, so this is our 5, that makes this our 6 and our 1. For this row, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. We've got a 2 here and a 7 here, so this is our 6. That 2 makes this our 7, 2. For this box now, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. Got a 7 here, so 3, 8, 3 here, so 7, 8, 3 here, and 7 here. That means this is our 8. That makes this our 7 and 3. For this row now, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. Got an 8 here, so 2, 3, 3 here, or 3 covering both of these boxes, so 2, 8, 3 there, and 2 there. Means this is our 8, that makes this our 2, 3. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this box, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. For this column now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. That 6 makes this our 3, 6, 3. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 7. I don't see any help. So 1, 7, 1, 7. For this box, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. For this column, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 5. For this box now, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got a 1 and 6 here, so this is our 7. That makes this our 1, 6. That 1 makes this our 7. And for this box now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.